Hi gorgeous, well join me for this relatively short video. I'm going out on errands. I just popped in some t-shirt, no jewelry whatsoever, just me going shopping for groceries, and I really want to be put together and not go like this. So I'm going to create something simple, glowy, bronzy, just for summer appropriate makeup. Let's just get started without any further ado. I'm first using La Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral 150 Plus. This is very thick. This is going to give me coverage and it's going to give me protection from the sun. This is very hot today, very humid. I'm not going to use concealer, so I am taking it up to my under eye area, just applying with my hands. Then I'll go over with a damp sponge just to make sure that everything is blended, because I find that if I'm just using my fingers, sometimes I get fingerprints. Just that sounds, fingerprints on my face, which is not what we're looking for, right? So just do it as quickly as possible. I just want to have a clean canvas. I know I'm using this word a lot, but it is what it is. And I'm just taking my damp sponge. Of course, I washed it before I'm using it. And I'm just going over everything to make sure that there are no smudging nor fingerprints, nothing like that. And we're done. Let's do brows. And for brows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in Ash Brown. And this is just to give me some kind of pigment in my brows, especially at the end of the brow, where us mature girls are losing pigments sometimes. Not all of us, but some of us are losing pigment, and if we do, if we want to complete, to have a cohesive brow, then we can use a brow gel or brow pencil or brow pen. It all depends what we want to achieve. Bronzer, I'm using my Sephora Care Make It Bronze in the shade 02. This is how it looks like. It looks a bit gross, but it's relatively new. And I really like this shade. This is so creamy. This is just like the Rare Beauty one. Just look at that, so creamy, and I applied too much. Yay, that's fun for me. I forgot it is that creamy. I haven't used that for a while. If I would have remembered, I wouldn't look like that, right? So we have a sponge, and we can absorb with the sponge the excess material. Access bronzer in this specific case. So our sponge comes at handy. It's very handy to have a sponge. I usually have a sponge, even if near a wet or damp sponge next to me, even if I'm not going to use it, just in case. For blush, I'm using my LYS Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in Classy, which is kind of an orangey one. I was kind of in the mood for orange. It really depends on you. You can tap it with your fingers like this. You can take a clean finger and work it, or you can go with the brush or sponge. Sometimes I like working with my fingers, and you're looking for this glowy, everyday kind of look. Nothing extraordinary is going to happen here. Up from Eco Lips. This is a SPF 30 Sport plastic free tube. This is basically a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen lip balm. I really like using it before I'm going to the sun. And I want to top it with some kind of color because this one doesn't have any color on it. So I'm taking my NYX Fat Oil in Supermodel, just a tiny bit on top of it. Because we still want the SPF protection, but we want some color. Then some spray, just taking my Beauty Crop spray, doesn't really matter, before mascara, just to give extra dewiness and some kind of protection from smudging. And then just my Sky High mascara, and I'm ready to go. Very light coat, nothing too much. Again, I'm just going to the grocery store. I don't have to look like a supermodel, even though I could if I wanted to, right? I mean, okay, that's it. This is the final look, just something glowy, summery, bronzy. You can see I'm very bronzy and blushy. No highlighter is needed, just some lip color, just some mascara, there's something for the brows. And I really like using something with SPF, even though I have to let you know that I already applied SPF in advance before filming. I started my morning with my moisturizer and serums and SPF, waited about an hour or so, and now I'm wearing another protection, another layer of protection. SPF is very important in the summer, so please stay safe in the sun and wear SPF. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this very short video. Well, not too short to be a short, because there are some explanations here, but relatively short video. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't done that already. Enjoy my family here on YouTube. We have lots and lots of fun with makeup, and that's it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you do choose to sign to my channel. And with that said, write something in the comments down below. Let me know if you try this look, what do you think about it. If you have any recommendation for products, for techniques, do let me know. I read all of your comments and usually respond, so do write something, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.